A small drizzle of olive oil. From where you're watching this video, let me know in the comments below. 1 courgette zucchini. Add courgette. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share the video with your friends. 3 small peppers. Add peppers. For garlic cloves, add garlic. Add salt. Add spicy flakes. Add black pepper. Add fresh rosemary. Simmer for 10 minutes. Set aside. 2 baguettes. Take the inside of the baguette. Add as the first layer 50 grams to 60 grams of tuna. Fill the baguettes with the courgette. Flat it down gently. 6 egg yolks. Cover with cheddar cheese or any other cheese you like. Bake at 170 Celsius or 345 Fahrenheit until golden brown. The smell is amazing. So good. Enjoy. One avocado. Cut the avocado in half. Hello my friends and welcome. From which country are you watching my channel? Remove the pit. Remove the avocado core. Mash the avocado. Support my channel. Subscribe my channel, please. Salt. Spicy flakes. Black pepper. Olive oil. Mix well. Spring onions. Add the spring onions. Mix well. Two eggs. Let's crack the eggs. Salt. Black pepper. Mix well. "15 grams of butter. Add the beaten eggs. Leave to cook completely. Fold in half. Two bread slices. Toast them for a few minutes on each side. Spread the avocado onto the bread. Add the eggs. Half tomato. Place the chopped tomatoes onto the toast. Spinach. Enjoy!